Hello and welcome to SAS Bootcamp. My name is Sujit Ramachandran and I am an assistant professor at the University of Mississippi School of Pharmacy and an assistant director at the Center for Pharmaceutical Marketing and Management. This video is a brief introduction to the summer class I teach at the University of Mississippi called Data Management and Statistical Software. I have been teaching this class for a few years now, but given that most of us are now working from home during the summer of 2020, I am recording my lectures and making them publicly available on YouTube. Before you watch this class, I want to leave you with a couple of notes about me and this class. I have been programming for about 8 years now on SAS, and my experience with SAS lies squarely within the bucket of health services research, or what you might broadly call health outcomes research. I am a researcher first and a programmer second, which means that this bootcamp is going to be very applied in nature. You will not find any information in these videos about how SAS works behind the scenes. Rather, I will talk about how to apply SAS commands, functions, and programs to work on your own research projects. This series of videos that you are about to watch are entirely introductory in nature, and they are aimed specifically for the health services researcher audience that have not used SAS before. The videos are only meant to be an introduction, and these videos will not make you an expert in SAS. I have carefully chosen topics for these videos that are relevant and necessary for health services researchers, so that the list of topics I'm teaching may not actually be what you would find in a textbook or other resources on the internet, which may be aimed toward a more general audience. But if you have never tried SAS before, these videos should give you enough information to get you started on your own SAS journey. At the end of this bootcamp, with adequate practice, you should be able to conduct data management and some introductory statistical tests on your own. You should also be able to use publicly available data sets, large data sets or big data in the form of electronic medical records, administrative claims, and of course, any other data sets that you may have put together on your own for your research. What this bootcamp will not teach you, though, is how to run advanced statistical models or how to use data beyond those that are commonly used in health services research. If you want to learn SAS, however, watching these videos alone is not going to be enough. You need to actually practice SAS on your own in order to be comfortable with doing the programming. Now, if you have a SAS license or you have access to a computer that has a SAS license or has SAS installed on that computer, you can use that for your practice. If you do not have access to a SAS license, SAS actually provides a free online version called SAS Studio that you should be able to use for your practice. I will leave a link to register for SAS Studio in this video's description, and it should be able to accommodate both academics and independent SAS learners. This bootcamp lasts about 7 weeks. Each week, we will cover a few topics broken up into several videos for convenience and go over an exercise as well. Each week's class will also include a homework along with example datasets and code files so you can practice the material that you learn in the class on real hands-on datasets. This course also has a project that ties together several of these concepts that we will go over during the videos, and usually the project is due at the last week of class, so you should be able to complete this whole bootcamp experience in about 7 weeks. In order to successfully learn SAS through these videos, you will need access to a syllabus, example datasets, exercises, code files, and other homework materials. I will make these resources available to you for your learning experience. But keep in mind, all the datasets used in this bootcamp are example files only, and they are not real data. They should not be used to conduct research. I will work on making these resources publicly available soon, and when available, I will add links to that resources in the description of this video. If you want access to these files and you don't see anything in the video description yet, know that I'm still working on it, but you can get access to them if you reach out to me directly on Twitter at Dr. Sujit Ram. That's at DRSUJITHRAM, and I will be happy to share them with you. I hope you find these videos useful. If you have feedback or suggestions on how to improve the SAS video series, please let me know. If you find that there are errors in what I'm teaching, please share those with me as well, and I'll be happy to fix them so I can do a better job at helping out the students that are learning SAS from these videos. Good luck. I hope you find these videos useful on your SAS journey. Goodbye.